Hello everyone and welcome to another Go High Level tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to install Google Analytics in Go High Level Funnel. It's going to be super simple. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. Step number one, we're going to navigate to our Google Analytics. We are going to go to Admin, bottom left-hand side. And once we go to admin, we are going to select data streams. Under data collection and modification, you're going to click on data streams. Once you click on data streams, you're going to click on your data stream. And once you open this page, you're going to scroll down and you are going to select view tag instructions. So you are going to click here, view tag instructions. Then you're going to say install manually, and you are going to copy the tracking code. So you can click on this button and you can copy the tracking code. Now we're going to go to Go High Level. We're going to go to Sites and Funnels. You're going to select your funnel. And once you select your funnel, you are going to go to Settings here. And once you go to Settings, under the body tracking code, you are going to input the tracking code. And that's it. You're going to scroll down. You're going to click Save. And now the Google Analytics tracking code will be found basically inside your funnel. That's it. That's pretty much everything you need to do. Once again, you need to go to Google Analytics. In Google Analytics, you're going to go to Admin, Data Streams. You're going to select your data stream. You're going to scroll down, View Tag Instructions, and you're going to say, I want to install this manually. So you are going to copy the code. You're going to go back to Go High Level, Sites, Funnels. You're going to select your funnel. Inside your funnel, you are going to go to Settings. And once you go to Settings, then you will find basically here this body tracking code. And you are going to paste this tracking code here. You're going to save. And that's how you can install Google Analytics in Go High Level Funnels. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.